Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my girls. How are you? Hope you're doing fine and good. Welcome to part 2 of heat. Alright, yesterday we said the energy of heat moves all around, and that's true. So, think with me. If I am holding a snowball in my hand, the snowball will melt because of the heat of my hands. Alright? And later, my hands will be very cold. So, can you see the movement of heat? It moves from the snowball to my hand and from my hand to the snowball. We call it conduction. Conduction, and please girls with the D, because the heat is moving between two objects. But heat can also move within a liquid and gas, and we call it something else. We call it convection. What do I mean by convection? Convection is when the heat is moving within a gas or a liquid. Alright, open with me your book and we will learn more about it. Open page 450. 450. Yes. Look at this snowball. Yeah, this snowball is moving the heat from the snowball to my hand and from my hand to the snowball. So heat is conducted with the D, conducted from your hand into the snow. The snow melts, your hand feels cold. Yes, and over here, look at the spoon and the soup. Heat is conducted with the D, girls, with the D, conducted from the soup to the spoon. Soon, the spoon feels hot to touch. That's right. And what about this one? Look at here. This is convection. Why would I call it convection? Because it's liquid. The heat is moving within liquid or gas. Now, let's see. Step number 1. Step number 1, heat is conducted. First, conducted. Why conducted? From the burner, see, the burner is solid, to the pot, and the pot is solid, to the water later. So, from the burner to the pot, it is conducted. I say heat is conducted. Now, number 2. Heated water travels up, okay? Heated water travels up. Look at the arrow. Number 2, travels up. Warming the cooler water above, all right? And number 3, look at the arrow. Number 3, cooler water sinks to the bottom, all right, where it gets heated. The cycle repeats. This movement is called a convection current. See, we call it convection with V. Why do we call it convection? Because heat moves, but within liquid, all right? Now, let's find out the conduction and convection definitions, guys. Over here, this page, you'll find conduction. Underline the definition of it. So, conduction is the transfer or movement of heat between two objects are touching. Alright? Between two objects are touching. Yes, excellent. This is conduction. What about convection? Convection is the transfer of heat within a liquid or gas. Alright? Within a liquid or gas. You have only these 2 words today, my girls. Alright? I want you to learn the difference between conduction and convection. Alright? Over here, write the kind of heat transfer that takes place in the following situation. Alright? I want you to do it but on your own and pause my video, then see your answer if it's correct or wrong, all right? Now, an eruption of lava on ocean floor is, lava on ocean floor. If it's liquid, definitely it is convection. Excellent. But winds blowing in form of a warmer part of the country, so wind is a gas, so it definitely is convection. Feet touching a cold floor, two touching things together, definitely it's conduction. Yes, this is not too much. I'm sure that you are awesome enough to learn the difference between them. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow in a new lesson.